What's going on, guys? Conformity Brothers here for another Mustang video.
Fun one.
Fun one. As you can tell by the title of this video, we finally got a new exhaust. Have we even done this for 2 weeks yet?
No, I don't know when I'm upload this video, but it hasn't even been 2 weeks.
It hasn't been two full weeks yet of ownership. We already got exhaust. And we'll go ahead and open up, do a little unboxing here. You know, back in the day, YouTube people used to get off to like these unboxing videos, like iPhones and like toys. I think
they used to unbox everything.
They used to unbox everything. I think there's a little kid that actually made like a living doing unboxing for like toys. But either way,
hey, anything keep the lights on, right?
Anything keep the lights on. Sorry, we look like bums. We just got done working, and we got a little package on the porch, which happened to be the exhaust from American Muscle. So
Borla ATAK.
Borla ATAK.
We went on the Borla website and looked at their different exhaust options. They had the Touring, the S-Type, which a lot of people do, the Stingers, and the ATAK. And under ATAK, it just said Stadium Volume.
That's what we want.
That's what we want, Nick.
And I didn't even know this, but we'll show you here. I didn't even know their logo says "We build excitement," so that's what we're looking for.
We're so excited.
I don't know if we said it in the last video or not, but we were originally going to go with American Thunder, the way our Flowmaster American Thunder with the setup that we're going to be doing. But everybody says for just mufflers right now, which these are,
they're not that loud.
They're not that loud until until you do all the other supporting mods.
Yeah, because we're just doing the mufflers. Eventually, we're going to do long tube headers, Cat and X pipe, and I don't know, we'll see some other stuff too, but
cams.
Yeah, probably some cams. But the problem, the Borla ATAK might be too loud with that setup. We'll see. But for now, since it's just going to be mufflers,
that's what we're looking for. All right, so here's the.
Hey Nick, show them this. This is what I like to see right here.
Borla exhaust.
Made with pride in the USA.
I like that.
I like that.
And it says "We build excitement." We like that
Borla
too.
is one of the best exhaust companies. Oh, that was easy.
Open up.
One of the best exhaust companies for anything. They're
I don't know for sure, but didn't they build the exhaust for the 07 GT500?
I believe so. Yeah.
Yeah. Whenever I think. Oh man, look at this.
Whoa, what's this?
Sick.
Sick. What is it?
Jay Portnoy, sick.
That's a
hat. Is that a hat?
It's a hat. Let me see what's in it. I'm messing it all up.
I guess we're supposed to put that on the dash, right? Is that what they do?
Yeah, it's a nice hat.
Look at that. Go and put it on.
Guys do the car show.
Go and put that on. It's like Kevin Dillon in Entourage when he wanted that trucker hat.
Yeah, he's like, what's that guy's name? Rufus at
Rufus Absolution when they were on the Kimmel show.
Look, a nice hat.
Nice hat.
Not bad, huh?
Respectable.
I like that. Somebody said in their reviews they got a hat and stickers.
All right, go and put on the 550 so you don't get all sweaty.
Anyways, yeah, I got it all sweaty now. Let's put that up there.
Any stickers?
Let's look for some stickers. Here's the hangers for the exhaust, or the clamps. What's this? Sound like heaven, go like hell.
I like that.
Now let's go ahead and pull these out.
Oh man,
look at that.
We get them 4-inch tips too.
I think these are 4-inch tips to set.
And for anybody asking, yes, we are compensating for something here.
Are we?
I think so.
What, not having a faster car?
Yeah, 5.0, right?
Yeah, that's right. Let's see if I can pull this off.
Oh man, there's a nice thing.
Wow, look at that.
Oh man.
Show them the branding on there.
Look at that. Wait, there you go. Can you see it? Maybe not.
Focused in, Nick?
Oh, there it is. Let me see that tip action.
Show them the quality of this, because obviously Borla is one of the highest qualities here. Those are massive. Holy cow. Put the fist in there.
Oh. Yeah, I can't.
Yikes. Look at that. Okay.
Experience.
Show them the quality here. Look at this. This is not your cheap crap exhaust. This is one of the top.
Well, this is Stannis, right?
Yeah. I mean, look at that nice. Look at the welds in here. How nice.
Oh man. 4-inch tip. Look at that.
You can see the design there, the tubing in there.
Should we put these on the 550? What do you think? They probably fit.
Probably sweet. So there's one. Let me pull the other one out. Make sure there's no damage or nothing. We gotta keep these clean, Nick. There's the other one.
Nice.
All right, guys. Before we get started, I want to show you the condition of the Mustang underneath. Obviously, this is wet right here because I used the some WD-40 to loosen up those bolts a little bit for the muffler before we take them out. But check out the underneath of this car. Obviously, it's dirty, but it's in super good condition. There's no rust, literally no rust. It's very clean. But anyways, to take these mufflers off, there is a bracket right here with a bolt that we have to take off. And then in the front, you don't have to take the bracket out for the muffler up here, but everyone says to take this bolt off. Wait a minute. Take this bolt off right here, because that way this whole bracket comes off and you can slide on the new mufflers. All right, guys, in usual Conformity Brother fashion, we did one side first. That way we can make sure we know what we're doing, that we're not steering you guys in the wrong direction. I think the fitment's pretty good. It looks pretty good, right, Nick? Yeah. Pretty straight. Hopefully the clamp, it's on tight. I don't know about these clamps they give you. I don't know. It doesn't look like it's gonna be that strong. It might come loose eventually, but for now it's all good. But we're gonna show you guys how we did it.
Look at that. That's you, Matt. That's you right there. And this is the guy she tells you not to worry about.
Yep.
So
basically that's me and this is you.
Oh, is that what you're trying to say?
That's what you're trying to say. Oh. But anyways, we didn't actually lift the car up, no jack stands, because it's stock ride height, it's kind of high, so we didn't really need all that.
It's got that factory 4x4 mode.
Factory 4x4. So basically what we did here is, I don't know if you put the camera in there, Nick. Actually, just get to me. I'll just record right away.
Go on, take it.
So the first thing what we're gonna do is there's a clamp back here on the back of the exhaust. You can see right here. We're gonna just take that or loosen that bolt up for now, and then once it's loose, then we come up here, and then there is a clamp right up here by the tip. Let's see, right there. There's 2 bolts, one on this side, and there's one on. I don't know if you can see, but above the exhaust tip back there. And then there's another bracket back here.
Back there.
Where is it, Nick? Where's the other one? There's another one here somewhere. I don't see it.
It's somewhere.
I don't know. There's another one somewhere there where the exhaust slides into. I'm telling you, I don't see it. Maybe it's on top. I don't know, but we'll show you that one after. But we're gonna go ahead and loosen up that bolt in the back on the muffler first.
Naturally, Matt does the work. I do the filming.
That's how we roll.
Matt does the editing, and I do the Instagram. Follow us at the 40 Brothers.
Shameless plug.
Shameless plug.
Make sure this doesn't really fit all the way, so I actually have to
crank it a couple times.
Loosen up to get a little bit of extra length so I can fit it on there. It's not. It doesn't reach. These sockets, they're not deep enough.
It's good you get that little extra length though.
Yeah, it makes a big difference.
Does it?
I don't know. Hopefully. There we go. Got it loose. I'm actually gonna switch over to the impact. The way it's way easier. It'll be way faster.
How about use the impact drill?
Oh yeah, let's do that. Yeah. Let me see. I'll just throw this right on.
Yeah, you might as well use it. You got it.
Yeah, that's actually stupid that I think.
Maybe these 5 to get these 5 a nice little bath today over there, nice and
Show
clean.
me 5. Show the people.
Show the people. Go back.
This should fit right up in there.
That's what they all say.
Yeah, it should fit. There's no need to take it all the way off. That should be good. Look at this. Slid right off. That's that Harbor Freight quality tool. Pittsburgh, baby.
Pittsburgh Tool Company.
Pittsburgh Tools. Look at that. Slid right off. All this stuff I'm using, both these parts from Harbor Freight.
We need that snap-on quality.
We need the snap-on, but we don't got the snap-on money yet.
Yeah. That snap-on version of that probably costs more than this damn car.
All right, let's see here. That one's off. Now it's time to get up in here. Take this. We're gonna use a drill again, make it easier.
These mufflers are in really good condition.
Yes, if anybody wants them.
They're for sale.
They're for sale.
I'm gonna put them on Facebook Marketplace.
All right. There's one bolt. I just have to get up in there now and take this other bolt off. It's all the way up in here on top of the muffler. I'll have to use a just a hand tool for that one. All right, guys. So here's the finished product on this side. We didn't record it because this side gave me a little more problem, and for some reason this tip on this side doesn't line up as nice as the other one. I don't know if it's because of the rest of the piping or what, but it's a little bit crooked, but it's gonna have to do for now. So
when we get the headers, we'll have it fixed.
yeah, we're gonna eventually get headers and we'll have that, you know, perfect. But until then, this should do the job. So let's start it up and see what it sounds like.
All right, time to go for a ride. What do you think, Matt?
Oh yeah, that sounds really good.
That's why I really feel bad for our neighbors, because cold starts.
Oh man.
Our neighbor's house kind of close right here where we keep the Mustang outside in the morning and we start it. Oh man. All right, setting out the Mustang. Oh yeah.
Man, it sounds good. Oh, my hair's a little bit messy. Oh man.
Oh, sweaty. Oh man. Take a look.
Take it easy. The engine's cold right now. It's like 2,500 RPM. It's still quiet, which is nice.
It's actually pretty quiet in here.
You move the windows down. It's nice because if you don't want to be loud, it doesn't have to be loud. But if you hit on a little bit,
oh my god,
it's definitely louder.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, like I said, the engine's still cold, so I gotta take it easy for a little bit here.
All right, get a little reaction here.
Reaction?
Get a little reaction here. Pull out on the main road here, Matt.
I can't full send it because we're in a Mustang.
I said.
There's no crowds around, so.
I just go ease into it. Easy, you know, a little pull.
Yeah, go easy in first. I'm not trying to ruin these tires, you know.
Brand new tires. Gotta keep it that way.
Got a bunch of cars coming. Gotta wait.
Just ease into the gears, Matt. Ease into the gears. Don't miss your shifts.
Ready?
hope the camera's picking that up. Wow. Oh man.
So we got the windows down, so sorry for the wind noise, but oh man.
I really hope you guys can hear it. Oh man.
Let's slow down a little bit. I don't want the neighbors to get too mad.
I'll tell you what, you know what we're gonna have to do? We're gonna have to do an E550 versus Mustang exhaust comparison, because the E550's got muffler deletes. I hope you guys can hear. It's got muffler deletes, and it's really loud too, so I wonder how loud it is compared to this. I'm going to make a video on that.
Yeah.
Maybe next time we take it out of the garage.
There's a fence right here. Let me go past this fence.
Oh man, right? Get a little first gear action. Wait for this car. This Kia Telluride to go by.
Ready?
Good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Maybe a little bit louder than the 550.
What's their motto? Like their motto on the box? What did it say? Their logo?
We build excitement, and boy, they do.
Give it a little rev, Nick. All right, Nick's in the driver's seat now. Taking it easy. We're on the Nürburgring. Well,
it's our neighborhood.
It's our neighborhood, but we call it the Nürburgring because that's how we that's how we go through the neighborhood. I don't think the neighbors appreciate it, but what do you think so far, Nick?
Oh my god!
I tell you what, this thing, it's like the perfect amount of loud. It's loud enough that you know you're driving something, but it's not like obnoxious, like in your face. Because like, you know, some exhaust setups can get kind of like, you know, too much. They drone like hell, and they can just be like kind of obnoxious. This is like perfect.
Nice.
I don't hear any. I mean,
no
obviously.
Drone.
We haven't done any highway driving yet, so I don't know. You know, some exhausts, they kind of like have drone around 2K on the highway. So far, I don't know nothing. I mean, I don't hear any drone at all. But then, oh my god! Hey, watch your neighbors in the yard over there. Yeah, I don't hear any drone so far. So we're gonna go ahead and.
I think we might be the only Mustang owners that put an exhaust before window tint.
What, September 30th, I think, is when we're getting the window tint installed.
Yeah.
So we just gotta wait for that. Like I said, mufflers, the axle back was the first thing we had planned. Then we're gonna do. I don't know what we're gonna do next. It's probably gonna, I don't know if we're gonna do full exhaust or what. We'll have to wait and see. There's some cosmetic stuff we want to do on the outside, like the window louvers on the side.
Eleanor style.
Eleanor style. We want to change these mirrors too, maybe, because this mirror on this side we showed you is loose, it's really broken and messed up. So we want to get that fixed. And I don't know. We'll have to see. Just you have to wait and see.
We'll wait and see.
We're on pulling onto the main road over here now. Let's see. Oh my gosh.
Fourth gear run.
Wow, this is great. All right, slow down a little bit.
Oh my god. Wow.
My hair is a mess.
I don't remember the last time I had a smile on my face like this.
I'm worried about the Borla ATAKs because, like I said, eventually we do plan on doing long tube headers with a catted X pipe, not the off-road, probably catted X pipe, because I think if you do off-road, it's a little bit too much rasp for our liking. And when you do a Borla ATAK with that setup, I think it might be a little bit too loud. I don't know. We'll wait and see. If it is, we might be able to go down to the Borla S types, you know, to tone it back a little bit. But if not, we'll just...
Or do the American Thunder like we originally intended on doing.
Yeah, or we'll just leave the ATAKs and just go send. Full send.
Full send, because we're not half senders.
We're not half senders.
We're not half senders. All right, this is what it looks like from the side. That good fitment action.
This side over here is absolutely perfect. That side over there,
I say, you know what? They gave us a hard time though, look.
I say, it didn't bolt up as nice as it said it would. I mean, some people, they were like, in the reviews they said that, you know, they bolt up perfectly. Some people said
they had issues. Some people couldn't even get it, so they had to take it like
to bring it to a shop. Oh my god,
the hot. They had to take it to a shop, but
I wanted to make sure it's not touching because I don't want to melt the plastic, but it looks like it is clearing the plastic just by a little bit.
We good.
It might eventually melt, but we'll see.
We'll see.
Other than that, I'm super excited, Nick. I think the butt dyno says it makes more power now.
Butt dyno, what is that?
I'm just kidding. And there's no more power.
Obviously, we're super excited.
Nick, you're out-angling me. What are you doing?
Huh? Out-angling you?
You look small.
This is definitely worth every single penny. If you have one of these, this body style Mustang 4.6, actually, if you have any Mustang, really, as long as it's not a V6 or EcoBoost, you need to put an exhaust on it from like day one.
But I'm so glad we went with the Borla ATAK.
Oh yeah.
I mean, obviously, like we told you earlier, we're looking at the other ones, Flowmaster, American Thunder and stuff.
I say not in the video, but we took it like on the main road and got up to speeds, windows up, AC on. Perfectly fine. So.
Yeah, so when you're just cruising, it almost sounds like it's stock on the inside.
Yeah, so you gotta take, you know, your wife, your daughter, the kids to school, or your grandma. You can take them and no big deal.
No problem.
And then you can full send it and act the fool, and it sounds amazing.
Oh, yeah, this is great. I'm literally, oh man.
I say the rest of the night we're probably just gonna go for a ride and goof off, but we'll see how long it takes for us to get in trouble. But that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, because obviously we did. You know we did. You saw us. We
I did all the work as usual, so I charge Nick like what, $4 an hour for labor?
Yeah, but I usually I do the videoing, and you know the videographers charge more. So.
Oh yeah.
But we'll see you guys in the next video.